Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A2, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. To get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and look for the screen recorder. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Now, once you see this toggle, you can tap on it. This will give you this overlay right here, giving you options to select your audio recording. So it's turned off by default, so if you want to record any kind of audio, just enable this toggle. And then on the drop down we have device audio, microphone, or both. So you can choose whichever one you want. And then below that we have show touches on screen, which will show a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was touching the display. And that would obviously imitate your finger pressing. From there we can select start. This will begin a 3-second countdown and then begin recording it. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Now I will open one of the apps just to kind of showcase something. So let's open up Netflix. That's interesting. I am connected to network, so not exactly sure why it's not working, but let's try it again. There we go. Now the reason I'm opening up Netflix is because this will soon look a bit different on the recording. Anyway, I'm gonna close it now. So we can pull down our notifications, select stop, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. Or a gallery, I guess, as it's called right here. As you can see, it's showing up at the very top of your gallery, but you can also navigate to folders. And in here, you'll have a folder that will be created called Movies. And here's our screen recording. So I'm going to let it play through. And going back to what I was talking about Netflix, Netflix is one of those applications that have a little bit too much control over your device. So if you try to record things like Netflix as an example, what you will end up having is a completely black screen. Now, I believe Netflix has no way of stopping sound from being recorded, so that will be recorded, but as you can see, this is our image. Now, as you remember, we had a little login option right here and complete white, and then actual things showing up on the display associated with Netflix. But what you have right here is completely black screen, because this absolute garbage can apparently interfere with your device, which baffles me. Anyway, with that being said, Netflix isn't the only application that can do this. And there are other applications, specifically more secure apps like bank applications that will also do the same thing. Though these are a little bit more reasonable, considering they're more designed to protect you. Netflix is protecting themselves and not you. So, yeah. Anyway, with that out of the way, whenever you encounter such a result of your screen recording, just know that whatever you're trying to record can just block your screen recording. Now, most of the applications don't do this, so you should be good with most of them. Now, that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.